Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes Fridays. I'm Zina Sophie and welcome to my channel. So maybe you already have been here for the past 2 weeks. You're eligible for the work and holiday visa in Japan. You set up your travel list and now you want to know how to write the letter of motivation, right? But before that, I share some questions that I'll answer in the next couple of minutes when I show you my letter of motivation, how to write it, and what kind of language. And definitely gonna answer some of your questions, and you can use my letter of motivation as a sample of how to write yours. That's no problem. But let's get started. Letter of motivation. How does it look like? Why do you need it? How to write it? What language? And how much is too much?
That's how the letter of motivation looks like. Upper right corner you have the date. Then left side your address and the address of the embassy. The entire letter has to be written in English. Not only the letter, but everything. That's the majority for every single document. You basically need the letter of motivation to tell the embassy why you are so interested in Japan and what was the first thing that you knew about Japan, which was kinda creating the so-called snowball effect. The entire letter of motivation shouldn't be longer than 2 pages. I want to see how everyday life in Japan looks like. Of course, you will have different stories and different reasons why you want to go to Japan. And that's basically it. In case you're interested in reading everything that I wrote, you can always download the original PDF file. You can reread and maybe it's an inspiration for your letter of motivation.
Now you know how to write a letter of motivation. That's amazing, because that means you are one step closer to come to Japan and to get your amazing 1-year adventure, and let's see what happens after that. But I will also cover those topics in the next weeks, month that are about to come. So don't worry about that. You know, it's a comfort zone and I get you ready for Japan. Because I'm here now for 2 years and let's see how long I'll stay here. And yeah, I'm every day it's just an adventure. It's super duper exciting. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell if you didn't do it already, because it really makes a difference. And we're gonna see us next week for another episode of 5 Minutes Fridays. And the topic will be... You really thought that I will tell you about it, right? Okay, no, I'm not. So stay tuned for the next week's topic. Gonna see it. And we're gonna see us for another episode on 5 Minutes Fridays. Matane, love you and bye bye. Come on.